Hi everyone, welcome to Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Today's recipe is Paneer Butter Masala. The ingredients to make Paneer Butter Masala are we need 1 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of dhania powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 onion, 4 to 5 green chili, coriander for garnishing. This is 3 tomatoes, 1 spoon jeera. This is 200 grams of paneer, spices, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, crystal salt for taste. This is turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Now I'll tell you the steps to do paneer butter masala. First we need to marinate the paneer. For that, first we are adding paneer to a bowl. Next we are adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next we are adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We need to mix this well and allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I have mixed it well. Now allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. First we need to add oil. Next we'll add jeera. Next we'll add the spices. Now we'll add onions. Next green chili. Next we are adding tomatoes. Now I am adding 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Mix well and allow it to saute for about 5 to 10 minutes. The mixture is well cooked, so we'll allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. It has to cool down. Then only we have to grind this mixture, so we'll allow it to cool down. Okay, the mixture is now cooled, so I'll have to grind this mixture and make it to a paste. The mixture is now grinded. This is how it looks. Okay, now we are adding 2 spoons of ghee. Now we are adding the paneer. We need to fry this paneer in the ghee. Okay, the paneer is well cooked now. So we'll be adding this grinded mixture to the paneer. We are putting 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mix it well and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Spoon of salt for taste. And next we are adding coriander leaves. This is for garnishing. So allow it to cook for about another 1 or 2 minutes and then the paneer will be ready. The paneer butter masala is now ready and it is really yummy and tasty. Thank you for watching Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. For more yummy recipes, please do subscribe to Twin Mommy Cooking Channel. Thank you all.